Houston, we got a problem. We do have some leak. Welcome back. Check it out. New battery. Let's give this one a cold start. Check the gear. Yep. Why, hello there, beauty. This is first start after the wash. Man, it looks good. We've never actually tested the lights. Are they still on? Yep, I can see the light. Ta-da! Mean looking car. What do you think? Should we take it for a spin? Let's turn this one off. And remember, we put the fuel additive thingy. Do you see white smoke? Nope. Do you see leak? Do you see anything? Nope. The way I see it, it's running smoothly every time. I'm loving it. I'm just gonna wait until it reaches normal temperature, then after that I'll take it for a spin.
A few moments later.
Houston, we got a problem. We do have some leak. I don't know where it's coming from, but we've got some leak. Meaning, I'd rather not drive the car. I'd rather jack it up just to see where the leak coming from and how to fix that. Meanwhile, well, it's running, so let's turn it off and work on something else. Ugh. Can you see? You should be able to focus on this. See? Yep, that's the gasket. That's the oil pan gasket. Snipped out of its place. And because of that, we have leak. Do you know what that means? It means I'm gonna remove my exhaust. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove the oil pan. I'm gonna change the gasket and I'm gonna put it back again. And don't forget, we need to basically drain the oil. Peachy. But hey, we've done it a couple times already, so it feels like I'm getting expert at it. Hopefully in this video we'll be able to do pretty much everything, get it all overdone, and wait for the new material to dry out. Sweet! And it's a sunny day as well. So there you go. To give you a better understanding. There you go, we removed pretty much the exhaust, we removed pretty much everything. So look down. There it is. This is the gasket, and the gasket is basically ripped. There you go. That's what we need to fix. So, as you can see, I've installed the hood officially on the car, and now I'm doing a bit of polishing for the second time, because why not? Well, to be honest, last time when we've done it on the stand. That's why it was a bit shaky, so now installed properly. So I mean, check it out. It's time to put some stuff back in. Black over this red, it's gonna pop up. Even the emblem, time to put that back in. Still needs a bit more polishing to do, and hopefully once that is done, it's gonna look epic. Okay, personally, I am happy with this outcome. Is it a perfect paint job? No, it's not. It's not a professional paint job. So there are some blemishes, and I guarantee you more polishing will be required because I still feel some. You can hear the resistance. That being said, it looks fancy schmancy, and I like it. And you can clearly see the shine and reflection. Some imperfections in the paint, primarily in this area. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, you can see. There it is, and somewhere else over here. But dude, I'll take this any day. Now, time to put some badges and some stuff over here. There you go. This is the seal under the hood, the badge, the nozzles, and this is the plastic trim that basically sits over here, and that goes over there. So it should be fairly easy. Hook those up over there, and I don't know if you remember, we left the screws there. So attach it, screw it, and put it over here. We just need to put this one, and we need to get some trim clips, and that's it basically. Sweet. I'll show you how it's gonna look like once it's all done. See, these are the sprayer that sprays the water basically. You just need to clean them up, and it's easy. I mean, just dip it in water with some soap, and that should clean it off. And use this basically, puff water, air in it, and yep, clean. So do that for both, and that should be alright. Focus with me, because you kind of need to. There's an art in assembling it and putting it back together. You see? You need to get them through this hole, basically, okay? So the long one on this side and the short one on the other side. Vice versa, I'm sorry. Look, see, as you get it in, it clips over here and it moves into this attachment, the T. In the other section, or the long one, let's just say, once you get it in, it clips over here. You need to basically fish it inside under this, because there's a clip over here and there should be another clip over here. So there you go, it's clipped and it's hidden and it's tucked. See, clipped over here as well. So see, it's not going anywhere. Now these plastic things, this is basically where it lines up and when it gets connected basically, and those screws where you screw it into place. In terms of this, there you go, attached back again exactly as we got it out. If you don't know how to get it out, it's just wiggle it left and right, or just check my previous videos. And as for this one, there you go, properly attached with all brand new clips. Better than OEM, I would say. All right, let's just put this one in, and that concludes that part. And I left the emblem till last, because it's only when you put the emblem it becomes Honda. Before that, it's unknown. Sweet. Okay guys, are you ready? Installed pretty much everything here. You already seen that, and even this one. Let's just close the hood. Ta-da! Even the fender. Yes, I'll put the fender in. And installed it properly, even the mud flaps. Still a bit of a work, but at least it's there. And ooh, what do we have here? That's a Honda. And there you go, even the other side, in check. Yep, installed the blinkers and even the fog lights. Everything is properly installed, and hopefully installed for the last time. It ain't going nowhere. Sweet. If you like what you see, stick around for the next video. Until next time, take care. Yalla.